This stunning three-bedroom villa nestled in the prestigious Bavaro, Punta Cana. Priced at $375,599. This luxurious residence exemplifies a seamless fusion of style and functionality, promising a lifestyle of unparalleled sophistication. Boasting 3 meticulously designed bedrooms and 4.5 lavishly appointed bathrooms, the villa exudes an air of refined elegance. The architecture reflects a harmonious balance between modern aesthetics and timeless charm, creating a residence that captivates at every turn. The villa is not merely a home, it's an experience. From the moment you step through the grand entrance, you're greeted by a sense of exclusivity. The interiors showcase meticulous attention to detail, with high-end finishes and premium materials that elevate the living spaces. This property represents a rare opportunity to own a piece of paradise in one of the most sought-after locations, where luxury living meets the tranquility of a tropical haven. Schedule your visit today and step into your dream home.